I was thinking hard why I feel so energetic and happy today. I realized that today is your birthday. Happy birthday. Realize spelling lan kiko. Ngasise, aise karigino asuk pangal kankatpagumsu tawi. Harawagumsu tawi. Aduga ngasise, nangi birthday oirame. Happy birthday. You are the most precious gift to this world. Happy birthday. Nangse, sangsarasida khwaidagi mamal yamba kudolni. Happy birthday. Don't ever change. Stay as amazing as you are. Happy birthday. Kaidonungda honganu. Nangna angakpa ama oiribagumna adum oiduna layu. Happy birthday. I don't have words to describe what I feel for you. Meeting you is the best thing that ever happened in my life. Happy birthday. Nangi damakta aina kari khanbagi haibase. Hainangai wahai leite. Nang thengnaruba sina aigi punsida khwaidagi phaba thodokni. Happy birthday. May this special day bring you endless joy. Happy birthday, my friend. Ngasigi top topa namit asina nangonda loiba naidaba harauba purakpa oirasanu. Happy birthday. May your birthday mark the beginning of a wonderful period of time in your life. Happy birthday. Nangi birthday sina nangi punsida ngakpa anauba punsigi tangkak ama hawallasanu. Happy birthday. The years we shared while growing up are like treasures to me. I can remember our every laughter. Happy birthday, my dear friend. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗꯗꯤ ꯂꯟ ꯊꯨꯝ ꯃꯅꯤ ꯃꯨꯛꯇꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯃꯤꯟꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯅꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯑꯩ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯉꯤ Happy birthday. My life would be meaningless without you. Happy birthday. Nang yauramdradi aigi punsise artha leiroi. Happy birthday. Thank you for everything. The world would have been colorless without you. Thank you for everything. The world would have been colorless without you. Khudingmaki thagatchari. Nang yauramdragadi sangsarse machu amta thoklamloidabani. Happy birthday. Machu thokpai di harawnungai amta leiramloidabani habniko. Okay guys, so please do like and subscribe. Press the red button. And also don't forget to press the notification bell and also comment below. Thank you.